everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Then from right over here you're going to find this kind of interface. Now you're going to tap on this option of discover at the bottom. You're going to go to search bar and type in Uniswap. So we had already done it, so now we can tap on Uniswap. For that, simply search it up. Then right away you will find this kind of interface. We're going to tap on dismiss for now. And if you want to swap any kind of currency, you're directly going to enter the amount. You're going to change it to whatever you would want. Then gonna add in the buy amount. Then you can again select your token. Once you're done, tap on connect wallet. It will simply ask you to Uniswap mobile or get Uniswap wallet. How you're gonna do, or other wallets. You can see browser wallet we have. You're gonna simply connect your wallet right over here. Once you have connected your particular wallet, you will simply be able to swap the coin using Trust Wallet, and that is it. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.